2 fangs, a poisonous bite, a quick death. Harnessing toxic venom that attacks the nervous system, this predator is capable of bringing down any creature on land. The most feared bite in the world belongs to the cobra. Found throughout the Philippines, Southern Asia, and Africa, the cobra has been seen as a mystical and powerful creature in legend and lore. The asp, one of over 30 species of cobra, was used as a symbol on the crown of the pharaoh in ancient Egypt, representing their fearsome beauty, their deadly capabilities. The iconic feature of the cobra, its hood, an excess section of skin on its neck. Since the snake does not possess a sternum to keep its ribs in place, it can stretch its ribs outward, flattening the skin. This hood creates the illusion that the cobra is larger than it actually is, which it uses as a defense mechanism when it feels threatened or disturbed. Threats include predators or large animals like antelope that might accidentally trample the cobra. The primary diet for the cobra is mice and rats. While some species prefer eggs, frogs, and insects, the king cobra's favorite meal is other snakes. Because the cobra possesses weak eyesight, it hunts for food by using its Jacobson's organ. Located on the roof of its mouth, this specialized organ functions as a chemical receptor. By flicking out its forked tongue, the cobra picks up air molecules and feels them against its Jacobson organ. The organ then translates the molecules into scent information, allowing the cobra to sniff out its prey. Once it finds its prey, the cobra strikes and bites into the victim, releasing the poison that has made this killer renowned. With 2 short, non-retractable fangs, the cobra is always ready to bite into a possible meal. The fangs are hollowed, allowing the venom to pump directly into the bloodstream. The poison attacks the respiratory system, resulting in suffocation. In smaller prey, such as rats, the venom causes paralysis. Most cobra bites can take up to 12 hours to kill, yet the king cobra's venom is potent enough to kill a person in less than 30 minutes. Once the cobra strikes its prey dead, the snake eats its meal whole and head first. Since the cobra does not have teeth to rip food into bite-sized pieces, it is forced to swallow the meal in one bite. To help, the snake's venom will break down the food, making digestion easier to handle. After feeding, the cobra will lay in the sun, raising its body temperature and speeding up digestion. Beyond extending their hoods, some species of cobra, such as the red cobra, have developed another, more deadly defense mechanism to protect themselves. These snakes can spit or spray venom through open grooves on their fangs. By contracting muscles on their venom glands, they can spit venom up to 8 feet. These sharpshooters aim for the eyes of the threat, instantly causing severe pain and possible blindness. Even though the cobra bite results in thousands of deaths per year, this killer is not invincible. Several animals feed on cobra, including various birds of prey. The cobra's biggest enemy is the mongoose. While the mongoose is not immune to the cobra's venom, it is fast enough to dodge cobra strikes. With a strong food source and a high reproductive rate of 20 to 40 eggs per pregnancy, the cobra population is thriving. And because of their fearlessness and deadly prowess, this poisoned reptile will continue to be a legend in nature and lore.